Mula sa iba't ibang pagkain at delicacies sa Pampanga hanggang sa mga handcrafted products ng small and medium-sized enterprises o SMEs, maging hotels and resorts, maaaring makita at masubukan sa MICECon 2024 MICE Market. Ito ay matatagpuan sa SM City Clark Event Center simula ngayong Miyerkules, July 10 hanggang 12. Ito ay kasabay ng unang araw ng meetings, incentive travel, conventions and exhibitions o MICE Conference 2024 sa Clark, ang biggest gathering ng MICE industry professionals.
Okay, so this is really something that we are very excited and very proud to have this opportunity of commitment of support of the CDC, the MICECon, the SMX, so DTI, and of course the Pampanga SME Development Council. So this is really a collaboration of all those institutions or organizations for this event.
Aabot sa 16 na micro-entrepreneurs ang nagbibida ng kanilang mga produkto na pasok hindi lamang sa local kundi sa global standards.
So imagine a micro-entrepreneur as defined as in the national definition, which is having resources of only up to 3 million, and then hopefully when they grow they become small and medium. Okay, so we are hopeful that this is really a big break for them, no? So with the MICECon to be held here in Clark after 10 years, it was back to Clark. So we are so proud of this event that these micro entrepreneurs are to be exposed here in the MICE market.
Ayon sa ilang exhibitors, ito ay nagsisilbing avenue upang maibida ang kanilang mga produkto at serbisyo sa mga delegado mula sa iba't ibang panig ng bansa.
Actually, itong MICE conference, sobrang laking impact niya, lalo na sa aming mga maliliit na negosyante. So parang nabibigyan kami ng voice and table or a platform na ipakita namin or i-showcase namin yung art ng Pampanga. And we're very, very grateful na napapansin yung mga ganito, yung mga katulad naming industry, and we're given a chance to at least voice out kung ano yung mga secret ng Pampanga. Ngayon nilalabas na natin yan.
MICE conference, syempre this is bringing in visitors, more tourists to the country, to our destinations. So MICE, when you say MICE, kasi volume business yan eh. It's about exhibitions, conferences. So it's not unlike leisure na individual. MICE is volume business. So to benefit the country in the 7 destinations, of course, that's the number one benefit. Increased tourism arrivals for the country.
Samantala, aabot sa 700 ng delegado sa MICECon 2024. Kasama sa mga aktibidad at diskusyon sa 3-day gathering ang iba't ibang personality development sessions. Gayon din ang familiarization trip sa Clark at iba pang lugar sa Pampanga. Liana Canilaw, CLTV 36 News.